If you wish to print out a report, select the tools icon in the top left and select Agronomic Report. At the top in the black bar, you can choose what report type you would like to view. Seeding, application, and harvest are the most common. Then you can select your crop season you wish to view. You also have the ability to customize the report and only look at certain items. You can select by date range. You can select by field. One trick on the field is if you have a farm name, you can search the farm name and then select only those fields. So notice I currently only have 3 fields selected. If I uncheck the box, remove the filter, and select again, you can see all fields are selected. You can also filter by crop type and also filter by variety on a seeding report. I'm going to go ahead and leave everything on all and then click Update Report. You can see the field name along with the client and the farm listed on the report. You can see what crop type was planted along with the variety, how many acres of the variety were planted, average rate, total applied, as well as beginning and ending planting time. If you have a field that had a replant operation, that will be broken out automatically if the replanting date is more than 10 days beyond the beginning planting date. So for the 108 South field, we can see the original planting date was May 9th through May 10th. There was 2 varieties planted in the field, totaling 107.5 acres, and there was a replant operation on June 1st with a different variety that totaled 5.67 acres. At the bottom of the list, you can view a total report for all of your acres. If you would like to print this out, select the download button and select print. If you would like to download this report to Excel, you could click download CSV. Other types of reports include application, we can see if you had multiple applications within a field, they will all be listed. So we can see on the 108 South field, there's a tank mix with 28 as the carrier that had Nutrisphere in it on May 28th, which that would be a side dress application at 58 gallon per acre of total product. There was another tank mix completed on May 9th. As you can see here, this would be with planting and 2x2 starter, which had 28 1034-0 in a bale at an average rate of 20 gallon per acre, and also a single product application of full throttle with an average rate of 3.2 gallon per acre and a total applied. Again, you can see the application report for each field with total acreage at the bottom. In an application report, it may be beneficial to filter by date or filter by product. To condense the report. If you would like to look at a harvest report, it is very similar. Again, you have the field, the crop, the variety that was harvested, how many acres was harvested, what the yield was, total bushels, moisture, along with harvesting dates. If there was more than one variety within the field, you will see each variety listed out, how many acres was in the field, and what the yield was of that variety in that specific field. Again, you have total acreage at the bottom. At this point, if you would like to view a summary that has total bushels, you would need to download this report into Excel and create some formulas or use the Analyze section.